myIH is the digital solution for collecting and digitizing better industrial hygiene field notes. It allows certified IH professionals to set up key questions and observations for field personnel, enhancing their ability to make relevant observations and ask pertinent questions. Equipped with a customizable sample plan feature, including import-export functionality, this tool minimizes field errors and helps categorize sampling scenarios for future statistical evaluation. It also features a real-time digital observation log accessible to project managers, enabling immediate feedback and corrections. The quality data is then added to a data repository for future reference and learning opportunities. myIH is praised for its affordability, intuitiveness, and being designed specifically to support EH&S practitioners.